Our first addition strategy is called 10 multiple as a benchmark. A benchmark is just an easy reference number, and these 10 multiples are very easy reference numbers. We're going to watch this strategy of 10 multiple as a benchmark used on this problem 37 plus 15 and see how it was easy to get the answer of 52. Well, here's the idea of this strategy. We want to break apart the second number, that would be this 15, to make the first number a 10 multiple. So the idea being applied here, let's read. Ready? Read. From 37, the next 10 multiple is 40. 37 can become 40 if we send 3 to 37. But we have to get it from this 15. Read with me. Break apart 15 to send 3 to 37. Well, if you send 3 to 37, 37 becomes 40, and 15 becomes 12, because we took 3 from that 15. Read with me. Add using these easier numbers. 40 plus 12 is much easier than 37 plus 15 to see that 52 is the correct final answer. Now, read with me. This strategy is useful for two-digit additions. 37 plus 15, 37 and 15 are both two-digit numbers. Now, if you look down here, I've written down our work in a couple of different formats. The first one is proper math format. This uses parentheses to show how we are taking apart numbers and then modifying where we want to add in what order to make sure that we can make this 10 multiple. 15 gets broken apart, shown by the parentheses, as 3 plus 12. Since we can add these three individual numbers in any order, we choose to add the first two because 37 plus 3 would give us that 40, which is our 10 multiple benchmark number. And all we do is simply add one more in the tens place, two more in the ones place to go from 40 to 52. Well, take a look over here. I wrote this quick math format. Recognizing that 37 needs 3 more, I put plus 3 underneath 37, at the same time minus 3 under 15. I'm going to add 3 to 37 and subtract 3 from 15, all in one motion. And 37 then becomes 40. 15 minus 3, 12. And just add these together, 52. Let's take a look at the checking for understanding box. Ready? Read. Explain why 18 breaks into 5 plus 13 in the addition problem below. There's going to be an 18, and we're going to see that 18 was replaced for 5 plus 13, and they were probably trying to get this 5 out for some reason. Let's take a look at the problem. 25 plus 18. So 25 is the number that we want to turn into a 10 multiple, and we can see that they did down here with the 30, but they needed to rewrite 18 to be 5 plus 13 to make this happen. Why? I want you to think about your answer, and here's a sentence frame to help you explain why they turned 18 into 5 plus 13. Ready? Read. 18 breaks into 5 plus 13 because, and I'll give you a moment to think of that explanation on your own. "18 breaks into 5 plus 13 because 25 needs 5 more to get to the next 10 multiple of 30. Alright, so they weren't really trying to get 13 by itself. That just happened because that's a leftover. They needed that 5. That 5 helped 25 plus 5 become that 10 multiple of 30. And once again, if you ask me, 25 plus 18 or 30 plus 13, I think 30 plus 13 is the easier addition problem to solve to find out that 25 plus 18 equals 43.